Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 4-05, the wheel tyre for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's open up file, new part MMGS. Okay, so we're going to go to front plane, sketch. We're going to start with a line. Line. It's going to go up. Line, thank you. That's weird. Up, across, can go like a little V, cross, down, cross, up a bit, cross, down, and across. There we go. That's going to be something like that. Before we do, these two should be horizontal. There we go. So now smart dimension. Actually, no. Actually, let me change something. Actually, let me just do something. Delete that. Delete those two. And delete you. Nope. But do a line. There we go. Okay, so now start again, delete all that. Okay, so we're going to do a rectangle. It's going to be 61 across, 61. It's going to be, height-wise, going to be 350 minus 278. Oh, there we go. Oh, divide by 2. Divide by 2. And I think that measurement's wrong. It is 2. That should be 61, not 1. There we go. That's better. There we go. Put it up there, put it up there. Okay, so now we want to curve here and here. So we go one there. One. There we go. They're going to be radius of, let's have a look. 5? No, 2. 3. 3. This point here is going to go to join and, or make a seated, sorry. Right, those 2 points going to be there we go, almost. And those two are going to go horizontal, there we go. Before we do this one, let me adjust these so that way it's done. There we go. Oh. I think I had 3 already selected. There we go, that's better. I had that one there selected, that's why that buggered up. Let's see, exceedant and nope. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, see, there you go. I think this is simple for some reason. Trim. Do that one and that one. There we go. And that one and that one. There we go. Now we want to go mirror, entity mirror, that one on this line, and done. There we go. Beautiful. So now we want to go to trim. I want to take it, that one. There we go. That's good. Now here we want to do a little rectangle. So these two lines are going to be vertical. Those two there, which was really vertical, but join those two there. Now it's going to be 6 mil. We're smart dimension. Click that. It doesn't always activate for some reason. 6 mil. And that's going to be 2 mil. There we go. Now we got to trim. There we go. That's good. I should have done that center point down here. I saw that. That's fine. We'll do a center line. There you go. Smart dimension. From the top there to there, it's going to be 350 divided by 2. There we go. Now, if we go to, okay, that's smart dimension. Feature, revolve boss base. We want axis of revolution, which is going to be that one. There we go. That's what we're after. And done. And of course, that's going to be rubber. It's not going to be gold tire. So that's a dual on there. So let's see, rubber. There we go. There's that done. Nicely done. All right. Cool. That's part 4-05, the wheeled tyre for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.